Fix the Epson printer inkpad end of service life error. A step-by-step guide to resolve inkpad issues. Understanding the Epson printer inkpad error. Epson printers use an inkpad to collect excess ink. The printer stops working when the inkpad reaches its limit. This error prevents ink overflow and potential damage. Causes of inkpad end of service life error. 1. Inkpad saturation. Excess ink fills up the pad over time. 2. Software limitation. The printer is programmed to stop after a certain count. 3. Blocked waste ink path. Prevents excess ink from being properly absorbed. 4. Firmware restrictions. Epson's built-in software limits inkpad use. Quick solutions overview. Step 1. Reset the printer using Epson Reset Utility. Download the Epson Adjustment Program, WIC Reset Utility. Run the software and select your printer model. Choose Waste Inkpad Counter and reset the counter. Restart the printer and check if the error is resolved. Step 2. Manually clean or replace the inkpad. Open the printer and locate the inkpad area. Remove the ink pads and clean them with warm water. Allow them to dry completely before reinstalling. If too saturated, replace the pads with new ones. Step 3. Redirect waste ink to an external tank. Attach a waste ink bottle or external container. Redirect the waste ink tube outside the printer. Ensure proper ventilation and sealing to avoid leaks. Regularly check and empty the container to prevent overflow. Step 4. Perform a printer hard reset. Turn off the printer. Press and hold the resume and power buttons. Release the buttons when the warning lights flash. Restart the printer and check if the error is resolved. Preventing future inkpad errors. Regular cleaning. Periodically clean the ink pads. Use an external ink waste tank. Avoid inkpad saturation. Monitor print usage. Reduce unnecessary printing. Reset the counter periodically. Prevent auto shutdown. Conclusion: the inkpad end of service life error can be resolved using the Reset Utility, cleaning pads, and external tanks help. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues. If unresolved, contact Epson support for further assistance. Thank you. Contact information. For more tech tips, subscribe to our channel.